Did you know the kitchen is the most expensive part of most house? And might be every house. In general, the most expensive part of a house tends to be the kitchen. This is because the kitchen often required high quality materials such as cabinetry, countertops, appliances, and fixtures, all of which can combine significantly to the overall cost of construction or renovation or additional intricacy, design, custom feature, and high-end finish can further increase the expense and creating a modern and functional kitchen space. However, the expected cost can vary depending on factors such as location, size, material use, and the level of customization desire. In 2023, simple modern kitchen design trend often focus on clean lines, neat design, and efficient use of space. Here are some ideas. Natural color. Colors like white, gray, and beige, and black for timeless and sleek look. Cabinets. Use neat design cabinet with sub-style cabinet doors with minimal panel. Island. Multi-purpose island can use for dining, storage, and workspace. So design the island for multi-purpose use. So this island can be used for dining, washing dishes, and all those stuff. So the whole purpose of a modern, simple kitchen design is to utilize the space what you have and design drawers and under counter storage. And as you can see, this countertop, we didn't use granite, we use large format tiles. So we use 4 large format tiles to build this countertop. So there's 24 by 24, 24 by 48. So 2 feet by 4 feet tile, 4 of them to design the countertop for this island. And the kitchen countertop, we still use the same large format tiles. And as you can see, it have a neat and a slick look. With a deep double sink to wash your dishes and wash your fruits and vegetables when working. This island is a multi-purpose island used to dine in and work for pastry and cooking and everything in the kitchen. So utilize the space and design smartly when you're doing your kitchen. Plugs on both sides for electronics and kitchen tools. If you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell, share it with family and friend. So we are featuring this kitchen. Tell me what you think. This kitchen space is 20 by 15 feet. This is not a very large kitchen, but decent enough space. Design your kitchen with whatever space you have, and use whatever you can afford to make your kitchen comfortable and functional. So be smart, spend wisely, not cheap but wisely, because if you buy inferior stuff, your kitchen won't have that decent and slick look. But I know you get to understanding what you can do with your kitchen space. Get someone with experience to help you design. If you cannot afford aluminum covered, use wooden covered. Just get the job done neatly and looking nice. Use a combination of wood and glass. Fix cabinets with glass intended to have a sharper look. That's my opinion. So design your kitchen, make a small video, upload it, send me the link so I can see. And if you have a kitchen already and you have the video that is up, send me the link so I can see. If you have any question, send me in the comment and I will try to answer as much as I can. Happy building. See you in my next video. I am out.
Bottom more fix the bottom.